This is Lirdon with usadailytraders.com, and we are going to trade late European session because of the news we'll have on 8:30 on US session. And there will be plenty of volatility to the price action, which may lead to different approaches. Okay, so we better place a trade on this slow market and wait for a couple of hours for our trade to get filled rather than getting in during the peak time. Right, so we got a position on 39.80, looking for a Fibonacci extension of 100%, which in this case will lead us with 20 ticks target. Okay, the first target will be 39.70 and the second target will be 39.60. Okay, regarding the stop loss is placed on 39.97. Worst case scenario, the trend will change and we will get out of the market. All right. Regarding the risk reward in this type of trade, we're giving the market a little bit more than it needs, and just because we are early on this European session and there is not much of a volume due to certain factors such as the weekend that we were and the holiday that may occur for some traders. We are back on this trade, and because of the low volume, the trade took almost an hour to come to this position. Okay, so we have came out close to our stop losses for a couple of ticks, and as I mentioned before, we have given initially negative side quite a bit room because of these factors as I mentioned, but we hang on this position while we were seeing the weakness of the buyer to send the price above this resistance. Okay, and once that resistance is exceeded, we may have no problem filling our targets below there. Okay, till then everything stays the same and we just give the time it needs. We just paused the video for another half an hour and we have marked two areas where the buyer failed to grab the price on this swim low, which for the sellers would be a matter of seconds to send the price where it belongs to. Regarding our targets, we rely quite a lot on our mathematical formula of Fibonacci extension, which confirms once again for both of our targets. As I was explaining, we just hit the first target. Now all we do is swim trade this position. Alright, initially we placed our stop losses on break even, and due to this volume coming in place, we are not interested to give anything back from this position. So we placed our stop losses 8 ticks from our entry point. Just for worst case scenario, we have accumulated another 8 ticks from our lost contract. We are back with this 5-minute red candlestick, which is yet not finished, and we have came close to our target and not filled. So we're just giving some more time to be finished. So with that target filled, we would call it a beautiful Monday and a fresh started week. So if you have any question, please feel free to write at usadailytraders.com, and as always, we'll catch you in the next one.